Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best 3D pens that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Leo Evo 3D Doodler Pen. The Leo Evo 3D Doodler Pen claims that it is made for both professionals and kids. Which basically means that while it does provide you with a lot of advanced features that would be appreciated by professionals and adults like speed and temperature adjustment, it also has a variety of features that cater to kids like doodle templates and a variety of colorful filaments that come with it. I was not sure how it is possible to cater to two completely different audiences at the same time, so I was really excited to test this product. Looking at the packaging, the pen does not really look like something you would get for an adult, but let's not judge a book by its cover, or in this case, a pen by its box. Taking the contents out of the box, you've got the pen, some filaments, and some templates that will make your user experience much easier, or at least the user experience of your child. At number 4. Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. We have the Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. As far as my experience is concerned with this 3D pen, I personally find this extremely satisfying and easy to use. 3D pens are supposed to be lightweight in order to ensure proper ergonomics and an easy using experience. You do not want a 3D pen that is heavy and cannot be used properly because of that. As far as the ergonomics are concerned, this pen is not easy to beat thanks to the lightweight and solid construction, as well as the shape of the pen itself. The pen also comes with a small OLED screen that displays various modes that you might want to use on the 3D pen. While most users might consider this as a gimmick and nothing more, I think it is a nice addition and should make its way into more 3D pens in the future. The pen also allows you to adjust the speed as well as the temperature to ensure proper control over how the plastic is melted. At number 3. 3Doodler 3D Printing Pen. Next is the 3Doodler 3D Printing Pen. The stylish pen comes with 50 plastic filament, which is the most number of filaments we have received from a 3D printing pen. Also, the overall look and feel of the pen is fantastic. Even more, the color, black, we received for reviewing made the pen look like something that came from a Tom Clancy novel. Before we begin this review, this pen is not related to another product that goes by the same name. This pen might be one of the best looking 3D printing pens available in the market. The best thing about this pen is that it comes with 50 filaments, which are easy to replace and don't get clogged. The testing phase revealed that the pen manages to work perfectly on almost all surfaces. Also, the pen is easy to use, especially for the veteran artists who have good experience with drawing and using such tools. As for newcomers, there is a slight learning curve. At number 2. TRLife 3D Doodler Pen. If you are in search of a 3D pen that you can use to practice doodling, the TRLife 3D Doodler Pen is a great option. According to the marketing material, this is the 4th pen version, and comes with a lot of enhancements such as a mechanism that ensures that no filament ever gets jammed into the pen itself. You can actually see this mechanism thanks to the transparent body of the pen. How does it fare? Good, actually. You are paying half the price you would pay for a premium 3D pen, so it is only fair that you have a better understanding of what you are paying for, and what you are actually getting in return. At number 1. 3Doodler Start Mega 3D Pen. A wide range of 3D printing pens and accessories for all ages and skill levels are offered. Everyone can draw in 3D. Use the activity guide or hundreds of free stencils and tutorials on our website to make your own glasses, helicopters and more. Doodle on a flat surface, mid-air, or join pieces together to build awe-inspiring 3D structures. The possibilities are limitless. Our 3Doodler Start plastic is non-toxic, and like the 3Doodler Start pen, it is designed to be safe for kids over ages 6 and above to use. The 3Doodler Start plastics have all been subjected to the strictest standards of safety testing. This includes RoHS testing, toxicological risk assessments, LAMA compliance testing and heavy metal testing by 2 of the world's most reputable labs, Intertek and Bureau Veritas. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.